Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about Orajel Training Toothpaste. Just be sure to check my video description for more information. So I purchased this Orajel Training Toothpaste. I saw it at the store. My son really likes Paw Patrol. So I decided to give this a try because it's fruity fun. So it's a fruit flavor. It's sweet. I figured he would like it, and it's definitely obviously for babies, so it's geared towards them, you know, for something that they would like. So it's bright, it's colorful in the packaging, it has the Paw Patrol characters, and then it's fruity fun, so it's a good flavor. So when you start brushing your child's teeth, they tell you just put like a really small pea-sized amount on there. So they would tell you to just apply a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the brush and then brush on teeth thoroughly after each meal, or at least twice a day. Now, yeah, my son does not like getting his teeth brushed. It's not because he doesn't like the flavor. So like when I put the toothpaste in his mouth, he likes it. But when I go to put the toothbrush in and like actually like, you know, just softly kind of move it around, because I really want him to get used to using a toothbrush and the feel of it, he freaks out. I kind of think it's because he's still teething, so maybe it bothers him a little bit. But the taste of this, I have to tell you, kids really like this. Because my niece used it too, and you know, she liked it as well. So it says Orajel Training Toothpaste helps clean your child's teeth, and best of all, it's fluoride-free, so it's safe if swallowed when used as directed. So use helps remove the plaque for cleaner teeth, of course. So even though they're baby teeth and they're going to lose them, you still want to be careful and you still want to take care of the teeth. So directions are: wash your hands, apply a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the brush, brush teeth thoroughly after each meal, or at least twice a day. This is my son's toothbrush. Obviously it's smaller than an adult's. It's soft, it's easy to use, and this is good to get started with. So I forget exactly how many months my son was when the doctor or the pediatrician told me that I could start using this, but I've been using it ever since, and it's a 1.5 ounce container. I try to brush his teeth once a day or every other day, and as you can see, it's still full. And it's easy to just unscrew this, and then you just pour. It's clear. You just pour out a little pea-sized amount on the toothbrush and wet it. And Orajel has been around for a really, really long time. So, you know, that was part of another reason I wanted to try this, because I used Orajel in the past for different things. They make everything from like baby gum soothers to Kinkasaur medication and all that. So they've been around a long time, and I definitely trust the brand. Of course, it's great that it's fluoride free and it's safe if swallowed. That's why you don't want to use a regular like toothpaste on your baby, because you don't know if they're going to end up swallowing it and have a reaction or something like that. So Orajel Training Toothpaste is also gluten-free, paraben-free, dairy-free, and sodium lauryl sulfate-free, and it is non-abrasive and gentle for cleaning. So I thought that was perfect as well. And then, of course, like, you know, try to make it fun for them. I'll say, hey, I'm going to have Paw Patrol is going to help you clean your teeth. If your kid likes that show, it's perfect. And they can use that up for a couple of years. And then it has no artificial dyes or colors. Like I said, it's clear. The fruity fun flavor tastes great for them. And it's dairy-free as well. And it is very inexpensive. So that's another thing that's great. And when you take this off, the first time it'll have foil on the hole where the toothpaste comes out. So you just want to pull that back, and then very easy to open. So I hope you guys found the video useful. This is for Orajel Training Toothpaste, fluoride free, safe if swallowed, sugar free, and no artificial colors. Hope you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave me a like or a comment. Really appreciate it. No, thanks you guys, and have a great night.